microphone is on. Alright, here we are. And I got no light on, so you can't see anything. I'm going to turn my light on, and you're still not going to see anything. So we're still in water. So we're about roughly 60 feet out from the stack here. And we're hitting a lot of water, as you can see. 6-inch cast. Working our way back.
But like I don't see any, like, I don't know, where it's collapsed or anything.
Not from here, boy. A little more water here. Going back under. Everything seems to be draining to that spot that I can't get past. Back underwater. And here we are coming into the Y, 4-inch. Working our way back to the stack here. So this is the 4-inch, I'm sorry.
Joe, once you're all done, wrap up and just head outside. We're going to get to that last house. He wants us to locate something.
You're interrupting my video.
Over.
Does it record your voice too? Oh, it's recording me?
Oh yeah, everybody's.
Oh my gosh.
We can do a barbershop quartet right now. So I lied, it's more like 55 feet rather than 60. That's it. Thank you.